Okay, well, I noticed my Whirlpool Duet wasn't draining, and I noticed a couple years ago I kept my receipt that it said to clean the trap on my washer. So I proceeded to go down below and find the panel, and there were 3 screws holding it. They were flat, straight screwdriver, and then, which was difficult because it was a funny, difficult angle, then here is the trap. On my washing machine, it is forward enough so I don't need to do anything. Of course, I unplugged the washer. However, when I pulled this out, big 2 ice cream buckets came out and all of the gunk. And of course, because I have daughters, bobby pins, coins, hair binders, something else down there. Anyway, my goal is to clean this, to take it, put it back together, and save myself. Let's see, what was the last cost? 125 bucks. There you go. I will take care of that and save myself 125 bucks. Thank you.